guys, so it's been a while since I did my Nutree Amazon list unique step keratin treatment, and my hair is still looking incredible, so I wanted to give you guys a little update. I did do a video before, you can go and check that out. It was a tutorial on how to use this keratin treatment and the results that I got, and now I kind of want to do a follow-up and tell you guys about how my hair has been doing. So as you can see, it still looks incredible. Here I just washed it and blow dried it, and this is what it looks like. It still looks so incredible. It looks so soft. This keratin treatment from Nutree is so easy to do at home, and it is so affordable as well. It is right under $50, whereas a keratin treatment at the salon would cost $300, $500 for hair as thick as mine. And if you have long hair, it's going to be even more than that. So this is an amazing option to restore your hair, straighten it, make it shinier and healthier at home for such an affordable price. And this keratin treatment can last you 4 to 6 months if you take proper care of your hair, which is insane. That is such amazing value. This keratin treatment does take a long time. It does take a lot of preparation. It did take me about 2 hours to do the whole treatment because you have to leave the treatment in for about 40 minutes, and then you have to blow dry it, and you have to also straighten it really, really well. And if you have a lot of hair, it's just gonna take a really long time. But at the end of the day, it's still amazing value to be able to do this treatment at home. So it was definitely worth it for me. Another thing to note about this keratin treatment is that this treatment can help straighten your hair a lot. It is going to make it straighter. However, if you have very curly hair, you're not going to see results right away. It's not going to be super straight right away. After you wash it, your hair might go back and be a little bit curly, a little bit wavy, but the results are cumulative with this product. So once you're done with that process, you can do it again. Maybe just give your hair a little bit of a rest, maybe a few weeks, and then go in and do the whole treatment again. And the more that you do it, the more results you will see. And if you want straight hair, you will see the results the more that you use this. So be patient. If you don't see results right away, it's because you might have to use it more than once, which makes sense if your hair is very curly. My hair is naturally wavy. It's naturally just like soft waves, which I really like, but at the end of the day, it can make my hair look so frizzy. And I did use the treatment twice now, and now I wash it, and this is what it looks like. It's really nice and straight, and it just looks amazing. So make sure you use this more than once if you want to get more cumulative results. This keratin treatment is so good because it's gonna save you so much money. If you have damaged hair, colored hair, or curly hair that you want to straighten, you're gonna save so much money using this rather than going to the salon and paying hundreds of dollars every single time. Try this out and you will save so much money and get these amazing results. Look how beautiful and shiny it is. And you can also style your hair later on. After you wash out the treatment and go in and style your hair as normal, you can curl it. Your hair will curl. It's just gonna be so much healthier and softer, as you can see. So overall, you guys, I have to say that I am obsessed with this product from Nutree. This one is the Amazon list unique step kit. They do sell it separately as well, but I love the kit because it comes with shampoo and conditioner, which is really going to help maintain the results. But they also have a vegan option if you're vegan and you are worried about that, and they have many other options, you guys, so definitely check them out. They also have a hair Botox, which is similar, and this one is incredible to help repair your hair. I haven't tried this one, but I'm so excited, and I will be reviewing it for you guys in another video, so let me know if you guys would love to see that review from me. I really recommend this. Go and check it out, girls. And if you would like a nice discount, you guys can use this discount code. You'll get 15% off your purchase on Nutree. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you guys will give this a try and get amazing, soft, healthy hair like mine.